Construction management is the art and science of building civilization. From the conception of societies, the need to build has been pervasive regardless of region, climate, or social norms. Whether it's been the roadways to allow transit, bridges to cross terrain, stadiums to provide entertainment, skyscrapers to create cities, schools to provide learning, industrial facilities to provide resources, and homes to provide shelter, construction management has been the common denominator. Per the National Bureau of Labor in 2007, the construction industry accounted for 11 million jobs, which is 8% of the total U.S. workforce, and continues to be the single largest industry contributing to the GDP at 10%. The growth forecast for construction managers required to manage this work in the U.S. through 2018 is 17%. Even with today's sagging economy, the construction industry is a global giant, with projected spending to be $5 trillion by 2015, 100 million employees worldwide, and 10% of the planet's GDP. The future as a construction management professional is strong. So what are the skill sets required to take civilization to the new frontier? The construction management skill sets must first be understood in the context of the overall building process. The architect begins with their initial vision by creating a form or vessel. The next step involves the engineers who provide the mechanical and structural design which enables the building to function for its intended purpose. The construction manager then transforms the building into reality. Collaboration and communication are critical skills for any construction manager, regardless of the type of project. Salaries will range from anywhere from $50 to $160K for a professional with 15 years of experience, and a bachelor's degree requires engineering, business, and construction science. Leadership, construction law, visualizing 3D space, safety, cost estimating and accounting, and scheduling are all essential qualities. Construction boots are no longer the most essential tool. Computer applications from estimating, scheduling, and cost accounting are essential. BIM, or Building Information Modeling, aids in detecting conflicts in the design before installation. Laser scanning allows recording of actual building designs, and GIS topography systems enable quick earth analysis before construction. So let's see how these tools are used.
So I hear you're thinking about a career in the construction industry. My name's Jim Yaley, and I'm a project manager with J.H. Findorf & Son. What I'd like to do is take you through what I do in a day. So why don't you come along and see what we're doing. Well, looks like you're interested in learning more about project management. Welcome to my office. Let's get the day started.
A typical day for a project manager can start in a variety of places. For me, it usually starts in the office, where I make phone calls and keep up on email. I will usually have the day laid out with some meetings, some in the office and some on site, and also some time for some desk work. To be a project manager, it takes strong communication and technical skills and a passion for multitasking.
Another part of my day was important is to pull together meetings. Today we've assembled a team here that's going to work on a project, a chance for them to share their ideas and pull together consensus before we start the project. So let's go on in and see what the team's working on.
It's very important to be organized also as a project manager. Work from an agenda during your meetings, set clear goals and objectives. It's important to bring people together and help them work towards a common goal. This involves listening, sharing ideas, and creating a sense of accomplishment and direction at the end of the meeting.
Technology plays a big part in the construction industry. Today I'm meeting with Josh, our BIM engineer. BIM standing for Building Information and Modeling. Let's see what Josh is working on.
The use of BIM has changed how we plan and execute construction projects. The use of computers and modeling has meant time and money savings on all projects. It's hard to say where technology will take the construction industry, but I'm sure it will involve time and labor savings, plus offer opportunities for additional careers in the construction industry.
All right, well, here we are. We made our way out to the job site. We're at Meritor Hospital. Today we're going to go up. We're going to check in with the field crews. We have a few jobs going on up here. Let's head on in and see how things are going. Okay, now we're up to the 7th floor. We made our way up here. This is where we keep our temporary construction offices for the projects. What we're doing today, going to meet with superintendent and foreman. We'll do some coordination. We have a project coming up in a couple weeks, and we want to make sure that we're looking ahead, seeing if there's any issues. So let's go see what they're working on. Hey guys. Hey Jim. Okay.
All right. It's important to always try to look ahead. As a project manager, it is our job to be in front of the needs of the field. We need to take the time to listen and understand the urgency and then get the job done.
All right, here we are. We've made our way down to the engineering department. We've got a 10 o'clock meeting, so we'll head in. What we're doing today is we're going to review the plans, make sure that the owner's happy with how things are drawn, any input we can provide. Let's go on and see what everybody's feeling.
It's important, as the project manager, to make sure all team members' opinions and ideas are being heard and their expectations are being met. We hold meetings in order to make sure those expectations are clear and we are all going in the right direction.
Part of my day, I come out to the job site and help with questions and talk to the crew. So we've got a couple guys in here with some questions, so let's go on in and see what's going on.
For me, it was the opportunity to get out and do some hands-on problem solving. Having a career where no 2 days or projects are the same keep me motivated to do my best. Also, I enjoy interacting with so many people throughout the course of a day. There is a great sense of accomplishment to see the product of your hard work and coordination being put in place.